At this very moment, your brain is rewriting itself, and you don't feel a thing. Every name you remember, every fear that still tightens your chest, every face you could recognize in a crowd, none of it lives in a single place. It lives in change, tiny, invisible change. For centuries, memory was treated like a locked vault. Philosophers argued it was etched into the soul. Scientists hunted for a physical memory cell, a glowing archive hidden somewhere in the brain. But every search ended the same way, with nothing solid to hold. Then came a different question. What if memory isn't stored, but strengthened? In the late 20th century, neuroscientists began listening to the brain at its smallest scale. Not thoughts, not images, but whispers, electrical signals jumping across microscopic gaps between neurons. Synapses, places where one cell speaks and another listens. In dark laboratories, electrodes thinner than human hair were lowered into living brain tissue. A pulse, then another, and something strange happened. When two neurons fired together again and again, the connection between them grew stronger, faster, more reliable. As if the brain were saying, "This matters. Don't forget this." They called it long-term potentiation. At first, it sounded almost too simple. Repetition strengthens connections. Use leaves a mark. But was this really memory? Or just a laboratory trick? The tension hung there for decades. Then, in the year 2000, the world listened. In Sweden, the Nobel announcement did more than honor scientists. It validated an idea. Research across animals, humans, and molecular biology converged on a single truth. Memory is not a file saved in a drawer. It is a physical change in how neurons talk to each other. Chemical gates open wider. Receptors multiply. Pathways thicken like well-worn trails through a forest. Memory, it turned out, is motion frozen in structure. Here's the unsettling part. Every experience you have is quietly reshaping your brain. The song you replay, the fear you revisit, the story you tell yourself again and again. Each repetition strengthens a circuit, whether you want it to or not. And the hopeful part? Change works both ways. If memory is strengthened connection, then learning is construction. Healing is reconstruction. You are not stuck with the brain you had yesterday. In understanding how memory is stored, we uncovered something far more powerful. The proof that you are always becoming someone new. If this story sparked something in you, curiosity, wonder, or even a question, help this channel grow. Like the video, share it with someone who loves learning, subscribe for more stories like this, and leave a comment. Your engagement strengthens this connection too.